Let's discuss 8th question in exercise 13.1. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeters and diameter is 1.4 centimeters. See, this is the cylinder. What is the surface area of cylinder? Curved surface area and two flat surfaces, bottom and top. Okay, surface area of cylinder is top surface area and bottom surface area and curved surface area. Okay, this is the area of surface area of cylinder. Here given height of the cylinder is 2.4 centimeters and diameter is given 1.4 centimeters. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. It means inside the cylinder, cut into conical shape and remove that part. See this? Inside. This is a conical shape. Inside, cut into conical shape and removed it. See this? Remaining solid. Inside is curved surface area of cone. Inside is outside cylinder. Okay, so find the total surface area of remaining solid. What is the surface area? The area or region occupied by a surface of the object. Okay, so here there is no top surface. What is the surface area? Curved surface area and flat surface areas. Top and bottom surface areas. There is no top. Only base area and curved surface area of cylinder, and this region is conical shape. So curved surface area of cone. Clear? See this diagram? This is the cylinder and inside the cylinder conical cavity. Here we have to find the surface area of remaining solid. It means green color region. This green color region is the remaining solid. Here given cylinder height is 2.4 centimeters and diameter equal to 1.4 centimeters. What is radius? Radius equal to diameter by 2, which is equal to 1.4 by 2 equal to 0.7 centimeters. Inside cavity is inside the cylinder, conical shape. What is the height of the cone? Same height and same diameter of cylinder. So height equal to 2.4 centimeters and diameter is 1.4. Then radius equal to 0.7 centimeters. What is slant length? Slant length. This is the slant length. L equal to, we know the formula, root over h square plus r square. H square is 2.4 whole square plus r square is 0.7 whole square, which is equal to 24 by 10. 2.4, write it as 24 by 10 whole square. 0.7, write it as 7 by 10 whole square. 24 square is 576, 10 square is 100, 7 square is 49, 10 square is 100, which is equal to, LCM is 100, 625. This value, root over 625 is 25, root over 10, root over 100 is 10. 25 by 10 is 2.5 centimeters. Therefore, slant height of the conical cavity L equal to 2.5 centimeters. Therefore, total surface area of remaining solid. Total surface area of remaining solid equal to curved surface area. Curved surface area inside curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of conical cavity plus total surface area of the cylinder. Here total surface area. Only consider the curved surface area and base area. There is no top. Okay. Only green region. Only base and curved surface of cylinder. Base area. Curved surface area of conical cavity is pi or L. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi or H, and base area, base is circle in shape. So area of the circle is pi r square. Here pi r is common. L plus 2H plus r. Pi value 22 by 7. Radius is 0.7. L is 2.5. 2 into H value 2.4. 2.4. Radius is 0.7. This 7 10 times 22 by 10 is 2.2. 2.2 plus 2 times of 2.4 is 4.8 plus 0.7. 2.2 into this value equal to 8. Finally, total surface area of remaining solid is 17.6 centimeter square.